How to remove a pin on Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch Google Maps on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you log into your account, there might be different addresses or locations that you have pinned. So that comes under the section of view over here. So tap on the view section at the bottom of the screen. As you do that, you'll be able to see your list over here. So what you need to do is you can see the list over here. Now just make sure to tap on the three dotted lines for the list where you want to remove a pin. So I'm going to tap on this one and then tap on edit list over here. As you do that, you can see the different locations that we have pinned. Now in order to remove a pin, what you need to do is you can see below every location there is this X icon over here. So tap on it, and as you do that, tap on the save option at the top right corner. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.